Hello there. My name is Cameron Kinross. I'm from Brighton in England, but I go to university in Bristol, and this is my final project for the CS50 Introduction to Programming with Python course. This project I made is essentially a rugby trial. To summarise it, an input CSV file, which sort of is replicating what you might write down at a rugby trial with people's names, their main characteristic, and the date of births. It's inputted into this program, and then using their birthdays, they're assigned into an age group, and then using whatever their main characteristic is, they're given a position in rugby, and then an output CSV file is then created with all of this information sorted for each name. To go into more detail, the first thing we do is we check the command line inputs. This program works with command line inputs, and we need to check that it's the right length. So we need to check that the second and the third command line are both CSV files. The second and third command line arguments are CSV files, and that and it's not too long or too short. So the right amount is put in. Obviously, if any of this is wrong, we call sys.exit, and there's a brief explanation of why it's wrong. But moving on, we then open the sys.argv1, which should be the rugby trial CSV, and we read it, and then we create a list, and then create a for loop, and then create a list of each of all the information. It's a list of dictionaries, so each item in the list is a dictionary, and then we can use that, have another for loop, and produce an output list where there's assigned a position and an age group using this position function that's defined here, and the age group function that's defined here. Bear in mind this age group, the age is calculated using this calculate age function and the check birthday function, just to make sure, the check birthday function is to make sure it's in the right format using this datetime library. And then calculate age from their birthday. It's pretty simple stuff, that, and then put them into an age group there. So once that's all sorted, then we have let me just get rid of that. And once that's all sorted, we write we open the sys.argv2, the second command line argument, which should be the sorted CSV file. And we write into it the new information, so the name, the position, and the age group, which has been sorted in here before using this for loop. And as you can see, obviously we've got we've got to create this variable writer, and then right row. So this is just the headings, and then we write the new information into this new CSV file in this for loop here, and that's about it. And then here is my test. Thank you.